Today I'm going to teach you how to increase your Fiverr gig impressions and clicks so you can start getting more orders. If your gig isn't getting the visibility it deserves, this guide will walk you through how to optimize it from the ground up. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and head over to Fiverr.com. Go ahead and log into your account with your credentials. Once you're in, here's something critical to understand. Getting impressions and clicks on Fiverr is mostly about ranking, packaging, and buyer appeal. If your gig isn't getting traffic, it usually means Fiverr isn't showing it high enough, or buyers simply aren't clicking it when they do see it. Yet there are several ways to fix that. You'll want to use strong, keyword-based titles, use all 5 tags correctly, write a clear buyer-focused description, improve your first gig image, which is very important, and start with competitive pricing. These elements combined will make your gig stand out and rank better in search results. Now, in the top menu, click on My Business, then select Gigs from the drop-down. In the right panel, you'll see an option to create a new gig. Click that to begin setting up your optimized gig. Start by entering your gig title. Make sure it's clear, direct, and includes your main keyword so buyers know exactly what you're offering. Next, select your category by clicking the drop-down menu. Then choose your preferred category. Right beside that, you'll see another drop-down for your subcategory. Click it and select the one that fits your service best. After that, select your service type from the available options. Then move on to your gig metadata. Here, you'll first select your service type again for clarity. Then choose your payroll software if applicable. Select your industry and choose your target country. These details help Fiverr show your gig to the right audience. Now comes a very crucial step. Look for the section labeled Search Tags. In the designated field, type in your first keyword, then press Enter. This is incredibly important because using the right keywords will directly impact how often Fiverr shows your gig. Make sure you enter at least 5 search tags, all relevant to what you're offering. Once that's done, click Save and Continue. On the next screen, you'll set your pricing. It's smart to set a low but reasonable price, especially if you're just starting out. Offer good value to get your first orders and build your reputation. Then type a simple description that starts with the buyer's problem and quickly moves to the result you deliver. Keep it focused and easy to skim. Next, click the gig image area and upload a sharp, eye-catching thumbnail. This is one of the most important visual elements because it's often the first thing buyers notice. If you have a short gig video, click the video section and upload it. Videos can boost your click-through rate significantly. Once you've filled everything out and reached the Publish section, click Publish Gig. Your gig is now live and optimized to attract more impressions and clicks. By following these steps, you've set up a gig that's designed to rank better and convert more visitors into buyers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.